There was a time in life when I thought all was lost. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. You changed my story of woes to joy. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. And so I will give you all I have. Receive, Lord, my offerings to you, which I offer with my friends today. Transform them and transform us. Purify them and purify us in this sacrifice divine for always, Lord. You know that I have given all I have. I will tell this story to my neighbors. I will tell the story to all my friends. I will sing for you. I will praise your name. I will dance for you, for there's none like you. And so I will give you all I have. Receive, Lord, my offerings to you, which I.
Let me make one thing clear. I don't care how important you are to me. The moment you make it clear that I'm not important to you, you become a stranger to me. I've learned that loyalty is everything. If you can't see my worth, then you have no place in my life. I don't waste time on people who don't value me. Respect is earned, not given. And I give respect to those who deserve it. But the moment you show me that you're not, that you don't care, you lose my respect. You lose my trust. People come and go. I don't have time for games or for people who think they can treat me any way they like. Simple. You respect me. I respect you. You stand by me. I stand by you. If you decide to walk away, don't expect me to follow. So if you're in my life, remember this, it's a privilege, not a right. I won't beg for attention. I don't chase after anyone. I focus on those who matter.